Good morning, children. Here, as you have requested that lesson 4 exercise work and question answers, so I am telling you the exercise work and question answers of lesson 4 rural life and society. So, first we will go for the MCQ. The first MCQ: prior to the coming of Europeans, the revenue in a village used to be collected by the village headman. The correct answer is B. B for boy, village headman. Second, Rhodes Associations was formed by. The correct answer is D. D for dog, N.G. Ranga. Rhodes Associations was formed by N.G. Ranga. Then third, introduced the Ryothwadi settlement. The correct answer is B. Thomas Munro. Thomas Munro introduced the Ryothwadi settlement. Fourth, the British paid in silver. The correct answer is C. C for cat. The British paid in silver for Chinese tea. Fifth, the permanent settlement was introduced in Bengal in the year. The correct answer is C. 1793. 1793. Now match the columns. Revolt in Champaran took place in 1867 to 68. B is the correct matching. Then Ryothwadi settlement was introduced in 1820 to 27. The correct matching is C. Permanent settlement in 1793. Correct matching is E. Rhodes Association 1923. The correct matching is A. Awadh Kisan Sabha. The correct matching is 1920 D. So your columns will be there like B, C, E, A, D. B, C, E, A, D. Now true and false. The first statement, the peasants prior to the coming of the British produced enough to pay the revenue. That is true. Then second, unlike the Mughal period, the zamindars under the British became owners of the land. True. Then third, the money lenders did not gain much under the British rule. False. Fourth, commercialization of agriculture was done to promote the Indian products in the world market. False. Then fifth, peasants' revolt under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi became non-violent. That is true. So first is true, second is true, third is false, fourth is false, and fifth is true. Now fill in the blanks. Village. Yes, fill in the blanks. Villages lost their rights. 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 Or you can write independence. Rights or independence under the British rule. Second, the permanent settlement was introduced in the Bengal Presidency. The permanent settlement was introduced in Bengal Presidency. Third, under the Mahalwari settlement, the land collectively belonged to the village community. To the village community. Fourth, the money earned from the production of opium in India and its smuggling into China helped Britain pay easily for Chinese tea, T-E-A-T. Now 10 to 20 word answers. Who was responsible for the collection of revenue in the village before the coming of the British? The answer is village headman, or intermediaries or intermediaries were responsible for the collection of revenue in the villages before the coming of the Britishers. Second question, name the new land revenue policies introduced by the British. And the answer is the new land revenue policies introduced by the British were dash. Number 1, permanent settlement. Number 2, Ryotwari settlement. Number 3, Mahalwari settlement. Next question, who introduced the permanent settlement? Answer is Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement. Lord Cornwallis introduced the permanent settlement. Next question, what is meant by commercialization of agriculture? For this, you can go for the key terms given on the page number 22, key terms, and the answer you will write from here. The production of cash crops or commercial crops like cotton, jute, and oilseed in place of food grains for sale in the market is known as commercialization of agriculture. Now, next question, mention the areas in which the new revenue settlements were introduced. And the answer is Bengal, Madras, Bombay, Punjab, Northwest, and Central India. Bengal, Madras, Bombay, Punjab, Northwest, and Central India. So I hope so. You will be satisfied with this and do it perfectly. Prepare it for your exams. All the best for your exams.